this build, I have used 137 watt 4 ohm full range driver from a Philips speaker, one 8 ohm 25 watt tweeter for better high frequency response, two passive radiators for better bass reflex, one TPA3118 Class D digital amplifier, it's a 60 watt amplifier, and one Bluetooth module for wireless connectivity, and a 2S 7.4 volt 2.5 amp lithium ion battery pack with a 20 amp PMS. So here we have two 330 ohm resistance which will short out the left and right channel of the Bluetooth module and provide a mono output for the mono amplifier. And here we have 178L05, a 5 volt linear regulator which will power the Bluetooth module. So here we have another circuit consists of three circuits. The first one is a low battery indicator. The second one is a 555 base latch circuit which will turn on and off the whole circuit by push of a button. And the last one is a full charge indicator. Now here we have an boost converter which will take the 5 volt from the charger and boost it into 8.4 volt to fully charge the lithium battery. And we also need another boost converter which will boost the battery voltage into 20 volt to reduce the distortion in the amplifier.